Hola, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and today I was planning to make an Easter card, but I get excited with all these cute critters, and I start stamping several of them to see if I use them or not. At the beginning, I was going to use just the bunny and the ramp that I later cut the horns, but after I finished coloring and planning the card, I think it looked more like baby shower card, like a welcome, is a boy or is a girl card. After I color in all my pieces, I'm going to cut them with my scissors and start placing them in the card. I also cut several squares in different pattern papers and color paper, and I just made the borders a little bit darker with my distress inks. And after that, I'm going to plan the card ahead because I need to put in some of the square font tape, and some of them are going to be glued straight to the card panel. You will see what I mean in here. As you see, I glued the little critter to the square, and then I add fontaine and glue it to the card panel. After I finish gluing everything in the card panel, I'm just going to grab these wooden buttons, and I'm going to start making them darker with my vintage photo distress ink. And after that, I'm going to glue them in some of the square. That way they're going to look like drawers. When I finish gluing them, I'm just going to glue my card panel to my card base, and my card is done. Thank you for watching my videos. Until next card. Goodbye.